I already did a video on this camera. It's April of 2020. Of course, everybody knows what's going on. And I purchased this several months ago. And I purchased two of them. They were on special at a great price. And I thought they would make a great webcam. So I'm going to try it out with ZooM. And I want to see if it works with ZooM. So I'm going to do an unboxing and everything. I'll take pictures of all this and have it at the end. And I just want to see if it works well on ZooM, and if it's another option you can use to use ZooM or Skype, but I'm going to just test it on ZooM. So pretty much, I think if it works on ZooM, it should work on Skype. I also have FaceTime with my Mac, so I may try that out also. All right, let's open it up. I'll fast forward this.
Works on Skype, FaceTime, Zoom, and other similar type apps and programs. Marantz Professional AVS Audio Video Streamer All-in-One Broadcasting System. BHMOVs, MFROVs. Date, 0407 inches minus 2020 inches. Cost, $99.99. B&H, https://www.ph-video.com/c/product/1416666-reg/marantz_professional_AVS_AVS_AVS_AVS_AVS_AVS_AVS_AVS_AVS_AVS_AVS_AVS_AVS_AVS_AVS_AVS_AVS_AVS_AVS_AVS_AVS_AVS_AVS_AVS_AVS_AVS_AVS_AVS_AVS_AVS_AVS_AVS_AVS_AVS_AVS_AVS_AVS_AVS_AVS_AVS_AVS_AVS_AVS_AVS_AVS_AVS_AVS_AVS_AVS_AVS_AVS_AVS_AVS_AVS_AVS_AVS_AVS_AVS_AVS_AVS_AVS_AVS_AVS_AVS_AVS_AVS_AVS_AVS_AVS_AVS_AVS_AVS_AVS_AVS_AVS_AVS_AVS_AVS_AVS_AVS_AVS_AVS_AVS_AVS_AVS_AVS_A broadcasting system. USB Type-C to Type-A cable. 3x filters diffuse, warm diffuse and cool diffuse. Power adapter. Limited 3-year warranty. Marantz Professional OV specs. Camera. Operating systems supported Mac OS X, Windows XP, 7, 8, and 10, Linux, Android. USB operates in USB video device class, UVC, mode. USB 2.0 class 2 compliant driver. Sensor CMOS. Focus fixed. Diagonal field of view, FOV, 70 degrees. Optical resolution to MP native. Video capture HD 1080p, up to 1920x 1080 pixels. Frame rate 30 frames per second. Video compression H, 264. Microphone. Type back electret condenser. Polar pattern half-cardioid. Cardioid in hemisphere above mounting surface. Frequency response 150 Hz to 10 kHz. Maximum SBL 100 decibels. Sensitivity -44 dB, plus or minus 3 dB, at 1 kHz 0 dB equals 1 Vπ at 1 kHz. Output impedance 2.2 k ohms, plus or minus 30%, at 1 kHz. Signal to noise ratio SNR, 60 decibels, 1 kHz at 1% THD. Bit depth 16-bit. Sample rates 32 kHz, 44.1 kHz, 48 kHz. Headphone amplifier. Frequency response 20 Hz to 20 kHz. Output power 130 megawatts. Light. Type 4 inches 101.6 millimeters dimmable LED light ring. LEDs 30x wide angle white LEDs. Color temperature 5600 K. System. Outputs 1x1/8 3.5 millimeters TRS stereo headphone output. 1x1/8 3.5 millimeters TRS stereo line level output. USB 2x USB 3.1 Gen 1 Type A, 0.75A total available current between both ports. 1x USB 3.1 Gen 1 Type C. Power requirement AC-DC power supply, 100 to 240 VAC compatible, 12 VDC at 1A output. Dimensions, HXWXD, 19.1 x 7.4 x 6.3 inches 485 x 188 x 159 millimeters. Weight 2.3 pounds 1 kilogram. Packaging info. Package weight 5.5 pounds. Box dimensions, LXWXH, 23.3 x 11.3 x 10.2. Key features. HD 1080p video at 30 frames per second. UVC-H, 264 compliant. Dimmable LED light ring. Built-in condenser microphone in base. The Marantz Professional OVS audio video streamer is an all-in-one broadcasting system offering high-resolution audio and video capture for vlogging, video conferencing, gaming, and more. It features an HD 1080p webcam, a half-cardioid condenser boundary microphone, and an integrated USB Type-A hub. Marantz Professional AVS Audio Video Streamer is an all-in-one broadcasting system offering high-resolution audio and video capture for vlogging, video conferencing, gaming, and more. It features an HD 1080p webcam, a half-cardioid condenser boundary microphone, and an integrated USB Type-A hub. The USB Type-C host connection allows the AVS to deliver H.264 video at 30 frames per second and digital audio at up to 16-bit 48 kHz over a single cable. Compliance with UVC and USB audio Class 2 ensures easy configurability. The 4" LED light ring is dimmable and daylight balanced and may be outfitted with any of the included filter accessories to change the color tone. Buttons on the base of the AVS provide dedicated on-off switching for the camera and microphone. Connect headphones to the side panel 3.5mm TRS output, which has adjustable level. The rear panel 3.5mm line level output may be utilized for routing to an audio interface or mixer input. All-in-one freestanding broadcaster system. HD webcam with built-in H.264 video compression. Automatic low light and white balance correction. USB electric condenser boundary microphone built into base. Half-cardioid polar pattern reduces pickup of ambient noise and reflections. Digital audio resolution up to 16-bit 48 kHz. Dimmable 4" daylight balanced LED light ring with cool, warm, and diffusion filter accessories. USB Type-C host connection provides high-speed audio and video transmission with low latency. Built-in USB hub with 2 USB Type-A ports. 3.5mm stereo headphone output with dedicated level control. 3.5mm stereo line level output. Adjustable mix knob for blending the mic and computer output signals. Separate camera and microphone on-off buttons. Includes power adapter and USB Type-C to Type-A cable. UPC 694,318,024,034.
These are for the lights. Comes with its own light, which is great, so that if it's too dark in the room, you just brighten this up. It's made more for portraits, you know, things like that. And I'm not going to use it for that, of course. I'm going to use it for Zoom. But the light does help in giving a better picture overall. It works well. I like it. It moves around up and down, left and right. I think it does back and forth. Does it do back and forth? I'm unsure. So it works really well. I like it. Again, I already set it up before and I've already used it before, but I'm going to try it with Zoom. And these are all the this is everything that comes with it. The actual camera itself, the instruction manual, the power supply, and the USB-C, as you can see there. I love USB-C. The USB-C to USB-A connection, which is great. And this is the cord. I'll have pictures at the end of all this, so that if you're missing this and you're looking for this one adapter, this is, you can come back to the video, get the information, and look for this specific adapter, because sometimes we plug things in and we forget. You know, we take out the actual item itself, leave this plugged in, and then forget about it for years and want to figure out, where did this plug go? Where does it go? Or actually putting this away and separating the two devices, they end up getting separated for whatever reason. And hopefully this video will help you find the right adapter. So again, these are the different, it's got a yellow and a bluish one. I don't know the specific terms for them, but they help in the different colors. I like the white. This snaps off and on. This comes out right here. And that's the actual light itself, ring. And this is the, I forget the term used, which I should know, which is what's reduces the whiteness. You know, it makes it more of a like a flat white instead of a bright white, and it works really well. I usually leave the white. I don't have any issues with it at all. It works very well, and I'm gonna try it out with Zoom. Let me set it up on my Mac. I'm gonna use it on my Mac Mini. Set it up and see how Zoom works. I'll have pictures of everything here at the end. I just set up a Zoom meeting and I was just testing it with my wife. Everything works, audio, everything works. Everything's, I have the actual audio coming to the TV. You can switch the audio, I believe, on any device. So when you click on the device, I have the AVS audio system set up to pick up the mic. It does a really good job. I'm assuming I could also set it up, and it says select the speaker, and it's not showing it. So let me just do same as system. Everything's working, the audio and everything. With Zoom, you have to work around it and try different things. Okay, Sony TV display audio. I guess I could just leave it with the Sony, which is what it's connected to for a sound system, which is the same as the system anyway, so it's not a big deal. And it works really well. And that's the actual system itself, AVS. It's the abbreviation for it. And then for the video also has the same thing, AVS video. It's the only camera that's connected. I have it on the Mac Mini. That's like my little media center in the living room. And I'm getting, this is my phone that's outside, and this is inside right behind me. And it's pretty cool. The actual webcam works really well. It gives you so many options. So I was testing the brightness so that when you're, let's say if you're standing here, you can select the brightness, and okay, this is the brightest, as you can see my hand. So as I lower it, depending on what is preferable by you, you can lower or raise the brightness or turn it off, which is pretty cool. So there's so many options. Another thing that this does too is that instead of having to go up to the Zoom or to the configuration to disable or click on anything, you can disable the mic and the video very easily. Watch. So there on the right, those squeaky noises are the birds outside. So I'm gonna mute it, and it should come up for mute. So I just click mute, and let me see the controls. I guess the controls won't show it, but as you see, the mute is not going up and down as I'm speaking. Okay, so it's muted, nothing's coming over. But if I unmute it, honey, can you come over here real quick and just unmute it so that they can see it? I can't reach it. So just click the mute button there. So as I'm speaking, you can see now, you see the little green thing, and she's gonna mute it again, and you're gonna see the difference. Testing, testing, 1, 2, 3, testing, nothing. Okay, so unmute it, and now she's gonna click on the video. Click on the video. and the video shows nothing there, but it's black here. It's totally disabled, which is pretty cool. You know, that mean it's you can have this right next to you, the webcam, put up here in the middle table, so you can have it right in front of you, and if you need to walk away or mute it right away to have a personal conversation, it's very convenient. You just click on the button. So this is great for Zoom and video conferencing. I believe that this is sold as a device that you use for creating YouTube videos where you're speaking with other people, you know, content creation type of thing. But I'm using it for this as a webcam, and it works really well. I love it. I mean, the turning, the options, the spinning around, it's very, very well worth it. If it goes on special, you should pick one up. I love it. It works very, very well. I like Logitech, okay? But I like the physical buttons here. It just gives me so many different options. In the back, it gives you a little USB hub, so you literally could connect something to it to connect right away to your computer, whether you're, you know, you can have it as a USB hub while you're not using, which is pretty cool. That's the power. You also have an aux out, which you can connect to a speaker. That's awesome. Another thing you can do with it is so you can set up headphones. So you can just put headphones on and you're connected. And it works very well. It works very well. I'm very happy with it. So I hope you like the video. I hope it helps. Thank you. Bye.